Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening the right screen. Make sure your battery is above 20% or plug-in. This prevents shutdown mid-process. Next, open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Connections because different phones label it differently. Once there, tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot to reveal controls. You do this first so you can see whether the feature is off, restricted, or set to airplane mode. Those are the key reasons it won't turn on. Now you enable and configure the hotspot. This is the core action. Toggle the mobile hotspot on and accept any permission dialogues, because without permission the radio stays disabled. Then set the network name and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so others can join securely. Make sure to pick the right band, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and limit connected devices to avoid bandwidth issues. Once done, the phone broadcasts and clients can connect using your credentials. Finish by testing and knowing a quick fix. You should connect a laptop or tablet to the SSID and confirm it has internet. This verifies both tethering and mobile data. If clients can't join, toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart the phone because many issues clear with a service restart. If restarting fails, check your carrier plan and APN settings. Carriers sometimes block tethering. That last check resolves most stubborn cases, so make sure your plan supports hotspot before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.